Lok Sabha adjourned and upper house, in fact, the proceedings are underway as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned. Mosmi, this essentially is a logjam with the government saying that this has been unprecedented. First, there can't be any business until the time there is a discussion on the President's address. This has been the norm. So let that happen and then let NEET happen. A discussion on NEET which will also happen. Isn't that the position of the government? But the opposition is unrelenting here. Talk to us a little about the possible back channel talks from here on.
So clearly there needs to be an icebreaker as far as Sneha talks are concerned, because the opposition is absolutely adamant that there should be a separate discussion on the NEET issue. There should be a consolidated, combined message from the opposition and the government. That politically would mean that the government, surrenders to the demands of the India bloc and understands that NEET is such an issue that that can actually impact a lot of students, and it should be considered for discussion even before the vote of thanks on the President's address. It will also give the opposition a fresh opportunity to bring the government on the mat, and will bring in a barrage of attacks on the government, on the HRD Minister and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And that's why the government is not really ready or up for it. They feel that the vote of thanks should actually precede any other discussion or deliberation. So clearly, the Lok Sabha has been adjourned, but the House of Elders, the House of Seniors, there is still sloganeering happening. Many MPs have entered the well of the House, and Mr. Dhankar is having a tough time curtailing that sloganeering, even as the BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi started that discussion on the vote of thanks in the upper house. But today's day is, in fact, the opposition has managed to adjourn the lower house on the NEET issue, thereby sending a message across to people at large and students specifically that the opposition is rallying behind them. It understands the worries of the students. This despite the fact that yesterday the President she mentioned the NEET issue, saying that political parties should rise above partisan politics. So a tug of war, an all-out war is what we are seeing after the initial camaraderie and
I'll just come back to you in a moment from now, Mosmi. Devagowda, in fact, is speaking in Rajya Sabha. Let's take a listen.
It's the responsibility on an individual. The examination, yes, of course, it has gone wrong, and the government has taken the decision. It is the right decision. The concerned minister, the concerned minister has taken the decision. Till the inquiry is completed, you can't. Till the inquiry is completed, you can't take responsibility and damage the image of the government. I don't agree. We have got sufficient scope to debate on the issue of on the President address. On the President address we can discuss. But this is not the way. Unless and until the inquiry is completed, you can't fix the responsibility. I am not going to take side. But the way in which all elders, they are all senior leaders, they are all mature leaders. I don't know. When the inquiry is going on, how can they go on attacking the government? This is not the way. I only appeal to all mature leaders, senior leaders. Please, knowing full well, the entire issue, I only appeal to you not to say unnecessary. Try to blame the government. The government has done its duty, and the inquiry is going on. Till the inquiry report comes, the minister, the HRD minister cannot take any decision, or the government cannot take any decision till the inquiry is completed and the culprit is known, then only we can discuss about the concerned person who is responsible. I make an appeal to all these members, see that let the house go smoothly. That's all, sir, what I can appeal.
एक्स प्राइम मिनिस्टर बहुत मैच्योर्ड, माननीय देवगौड़ा जी देश के बड़े सम्मानित नेता हैं, उन्होंने जो कहा आपने सुना, प्लीज